Operators are used to perform mathematical operation, logical operation, and conditional operation between numbers. The type of operators are arithmetic operators, rational operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, conditional operators. Let me create a function operators without any argument. Declare function as void operators void. Now I can write void operators void as user-defined function. Let's define two numbers a equal to 4, b equal to 2. The operator plus will be used to add two numbers. The operator minus will be used to subtract two numbers. The operator star will be used to multiply two numbers. The operator slash will be used to divide two numbers. The operator percentage will be used to get the remainder of division. We call it as module operation. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. 4 multiplied by 2 equal to 8. 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. Finally, 4 module 2 equal to the remainder 0. Now, I'm going to change the sign of number. Let us define two number a equal to 4, b equal to minus 2. Assign number 1 as plus a, number 2 as minus b. Number 1 will be equal to 4. Number 2 will be equal to minus of minus 2, which is equal to 2. This operation performed on one number, that is why it is called unary operator. Next, I'm going to perform increment and decrement operation. I already used notation plus a minus b. So I will use plus a minus minus b for increment and decrement. A equal to 4, b equal to 2, number 1 equal to plus a, number 2 equal to minus minus b. Plus a means first the value incremented plus 1 and then stored in number 1. Number 1 will give 4 plus 1, 5. Minus a means first the value decremented by minus 1 and then stored in number 2. Number 2 will give 2 minus 1, 1. Is there any difference between plus a and a plus plus? Let's see what happens. Replace plus a by a plus plus and plus b by b minus minus. Number 1 equal to 4, number 2 equal to 2. Yes, there is a difference. Here, number 1 equal to a plus plus. First, a will be stored in number 1 and then a incremented. So, number 1 equal to 4 only. If you print a, it will give 5, which means 4 plus 1. A is incremented by 1 but not stored in number 1. In the second case, first b will be stored in number 2 and then b decremented. So number 2 equal to 2 only. If you print b, it will give 1, which means 2 minus 1. b is decremented by 1 but not stored in number 1. The relational operators are used to compare two numbers. Operator greater than will be used to find greater numbers. Operator less than will be used to find smaller numbers. Operator equal to will be used to find whether the numbers are equal. The operator not equal to will be used to find whether the numbers are not equal. The relational operator return 1 if the condition are true. The same relation operator returns 0 if the condition are false. 4 greater than 2 is true, so it will return 1. 4 less than 2 is false, so it will return 0. 4 not equal to 2 is false, so it will return 0. 4 not equal to 2 is true, so it will return 1. The logical operators are used along with rational operator. Operator and will perform AND gate Boolean table operation between two numbers. 1 1 will return 1, 1 0 will return 0, 0 1 will return 0, 0 0 will return 0. This is like multiplication table. The operator OR will perform OR gate Boolean table operation between two numbers. 1 1 will return 1, 1 0 will return 1, 0 1 will return 1, 0 0 will return 0. Operator NOT will perform NOT gate Boolean table operation. 1 will return 0, 0 will return 1. Let us define four numbers A 4, B 2, C 4, D 3. A greater than B, it will return 1. C greater than D, again it will return 1. Now we apply AND gate between these two, 1 and 1. It will give 1 as per the table. For OR gate, again 1 or 1 will return 1 as per the table. And finally, 4 not operation equal to 0. It is a positive number, so it will return 0. Bitwise operators are used alone and perform logical operation using binary number. And the operator perform Boolean and gate operation on binary number. The OR operator perform Boolean OR gate operation on binary number. A equal to 4, B equal to 2, 4 and 2. Here we are doing binary operation. 4 equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, 2 equal to 0, 0, 1, 0. When you perform AND operation on these two numbers, binary numbers, it will give 0, 0, 0, 0. Again, OR operation between 4 and 2. 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. It will return 0, 1, 1, 0. Again, complement operation on A. A equal to 4. When you do complement operation, it will return -5. Conditional operators use three expression, so it is called ternary operator. C equal to A equal to B. This is a condition we are checking. If it is true, then it will execute 1. Otherwise, it will execute 0. If A equal to B is true, then 1 will be returned. If A equal to B is false, then 0 will be returned. Assignment operators are called compound operators. It executes two operations together. The operator plus minus perform addition and then it will be assigned to A1. The operator minus equal to perform subtraction and then it will be assigned to A2. The operator star equal to perform multiplication and then it will be assigned to A3. The operator division equal to perform division and then it will be assigned to A4. 4 plus 2 equal to 6, then 6 will be assigned on A1. 4 minus 2 equal to 2, then 2 will be assigned on A2. 4 multiplied by 2 equal to 8, Then 8 will be assigned on A3. 4 divided by 2 equal to 2. Then 2 will be assigned on A4.